Hello friends, I am Ahmad and today I'm going to tell you a super awesome Clickbank affiliate marketing strategy that you can apply and you can crush affiliate marketing in 2019. So let's start our video. So I'm going to tell you a very super awesome strategy for Clickbank. Actually, if you have chosen affiliate marketing to earn online, you have chosen a very good option because there is no limit of money that how much you want to go deep into it. You can earn as much as you want, but you have to do it correctly. You have to follow the right path. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the strategy. But first of all, what we need is we need a good product. Okay, we need a product with good quality. Okay, and I will show you that how you can find the product on Clickbank with good quality. And after you get the good product, the second thing you need is you need to create a landing page on that product. Landing page. Okay, I will provide you a free landing page for the your product. Whatever product we will select on Clickbank, I will provide you a free landing page. Okay, so number three, after getting a landing page, what we need is we need super targeted traffic. Because most of the people who are trying to earn in affiliate marketing, they just want to make some cash, so they don't want to follow the rules. Actually, you just think that if if you are trying to sell something, the traffic over on the other hand, these are the real people and you have to understand the psyche of the traffic. So I will tell you that how you can get the super targeted traffic that will really convert for you in sales. Actually, it's very simple. Okay, and number four thing what we need is we need to install a retargeting pixel in our landing page. And number five thing what we need is we need to retarget people who clicked and left. We have to retarget them because we don't want to lose our even a single click of our traffic. And number six is retarget people who give you emails. Okay, so we also have to retarget the people who will give you your emails, and we have to retarget these people on Facebook. And I'm going to show you a very awesome video strategy that you can apply and you can start getting results because these are the real people and you have to change their mentality. As I will show you in steps that how you can. Okay, friends. So first of all, we have to select a quality product on Clickbank because the quality of product is very important as we have to promote it for a long time and we have to build our business on it. Okay, so whenever I'm selecting a product, I choose. I've just noticed two things: that if the gravity of the product is more than 50, and if the product has the average dollar per sale of the product is about more than 30. So the best niche on the Clickbank is health and fitness, but you can choose the niche according to your own choice. That niche you feel that is good for you, I will suggest you to choose that niche. So in my case, I am choosing health and fitness. Okay, all right. So I've chosen this product, Lean Belly Breakthrough, and the average dollar per sale is 40, and the gravity you can see is 143.72. It means that the other seller who are selling this product, they are already making money of this product. So okay, I'm gonna promote this product. I'm gonna grab the affiliate link. Okay, my friends, so this is our affiliate link. What we need to do, we need to copy this link, and we need to paste this link to our landing page. And when we will send the traffic to this link, and if someone buys from this link, we will get paid. Okay, if we don't have to send the traffic directly to this link, otherwise we will waste all of our visitors. Okay, so this is the landing page that I have created for you. The link is in the description for this. Sorry, so the link is in the description for this landing page, so you can just click over there and you can get this my best converting template for free. This is one of my best converting template. And okay, so uh, what we need to do is we need to go to setting, and then we need to go to general tab. Okay, then here on submit, go to, we need to paste our affiliate link. So what will happen is, whoever will submit his email address, he will directly go to our offer. The main thing we need here is we need to collect the emails so that we can start doing email marketing and we can grow our business. If we send our visitors directly to the offer, so what will happen is, we will waste all of our clicks. And this landing page, what it do is, it never waste our clicks. It save all of the clicks, some in the form of email and some in the form of retargeting. So first we have done, for the email, we have done all of the things, and the next important thing we need to do, we need to install the retargeting pixel over here. Okay, so it's already installed. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how we have to get this retargeting pixel. This retargeting pixel we have to get from the Facebook. Okay, so what you need to go, you need to go to Facebook ads account. Okay, then you need to go to audience section. Okay, so I think we are already in audience section. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you again. From the Facebook ads account, we need to go to the audiences section, and it will bring us over here. And here what we need to do is we need to create a new audience. Okay, so we need to create a custom audience. All right, so the custom audience, we need to select website traffic. Okay, I'm gonna write the name lean belly retargeting audience. Okay, so create the audience. Okay, so it's done. Sorry. All right, so what we need to do next is we need to grab its pixel. Okay, okay, and we need to paste the pixel into our landing page in the tracking code section. And one important thing that I want to tell you, that never ever directly advertise on Facebook, because the audience on Facebook, they are very cold audience. We need to convert them, so it's better if we retarget the audience on Facebook. So okay, so it is done. Our retarget pixel is done, and I will tell you later about this audience. As you can see, that this audience is below 1,000. It means it's approximately zero, because at this time no one is coming to our landing page. And now I will cover this topic in the end, because now I'm going to tell you about the traffic, how you have to drive the super hot traffic to the landing page. Okay, so our landing page is now ready. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go back, and okay, so this is our landing page link. What we need to do, we need to send the traffic to this link. So what will happen is, whoever will go to our landing page, some of them will give us email, and some we will grab them on Facebook retargeting, and some of these visitors will buy our product. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this link. Okay, I've copied this link. Okay, oh sorry, I just forgot one thing. You have to connect the email collector to our autoresponder. In my case, I'm using GetResponse. Okay, so I have already connected my landing page to GetResponse. So whoever will give me email, the email will go to the GetResponse, and I have created a list over there. And then what I will do, email marketing to them. Okay, so this is Udemy. So Udemy is a source of super targeted traffic, because here we can communicate directly with the people who already have their email list. Actually, the traffic from the email list is very hot traffic. So what we do is we give them some money and we buy some clicks. Means we buy 200 clicks, we buy 300 clicks. It depends on us. That these are my solos, and previously I have bought the clicks from them. And okay, so I'm going to show you how you can find it. Okay, so from the on the Udemy, you have to go to find sellers, and you have to check that which seller is matching your niche. So in our case, we are promoting health and fitness product. So you can see that Michael Kale, this one, and what he is he has list of health and fitness. So his telling that he has about 98% of Taiwan traffic. Yes, he's telling that you will receive 95% Taiwan traffic. So this what is Taiwan? T1 traffic actually is a hot traffic. It's from the countries US, UK, and New Zealand, Canada, and Australia. So these five are English-speaking countries and are best converting countries. So if you are buying the traffic, I will suggest you to buy this from these five countries. So this will convert very best for your Clickbank offer. And this traffic is very good because number one thing, it's country target, and number two thing, that these are only people that are interested in health and fitness. So okay, so what next we need to do is we can place the order over here. Command A. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to delete my previous message. Okay, so it depends on us that how many click we want to buy, like 200, 300, 400, 500. So these are super hot clicks. And then what we need to do is this seller is offering top tier 95% top tier countries, and if you want 100% top tier countries, you can select this option and the price will little bit go higher. And over here we can write about our product to him. Okay, lean belly break through. Okay, we can write that this product is for weight lose and for lean belly. Okay, so what he will do is he will write email for us, or if you want to write email yourself, and you want that you can write the email and that he will send to his email list. So it depends on you. So this man will write email for us according to our product that will convert best for us. And we also have to attach our landing page link over here. Okay, so what will happen is then we need to buy these clicks, and he will send this click to our offer, to our landing page, that whatever the landing page you have designed, and we will start getting clicks. And as soon as we start getting clicks, at the same time we have to retarget those people on the Facebook. I'm going to tell you how this system will work. Let's suppose you buy 300 clicks. Okay, you buy 300 clicks and you will get about approximately it depends, sometimes 2%, sometimes 3%, sometimes 4% sales, or how many sales you get. Okay, so for the people who just click and went off, they will be capturing over here in this audience section. Okay, the people who just click and left off, they will be capturing in this audience section. So what we need to do is at the same time we need to place the advertisement for the review of our product. If someone is giving the review of our product, or you can give the review yourself. In my case, I have found a video on YouTube. Okay, so this lady is giving the review of this product.
I'm Kristen and you're watching Perfect Fitness TV. So today I've got Fit by 5 workout for you, interval style, and today is just a core workout.
Okay, so this lady is giving the review of lean belly product. Okay, she is giving a very good review. So what I will do is as these people are already going to that offer, okay, they are seeing that offer. On the same time, I will retarget them on the Facebook. So what will happen is, on the Facebook, they will start seeing the review of that product, that a lady is saying about that product, that this product is very good, and the qualities of the product, what is the product best for. So it will come into their mind, and in the Facebook I will show you how you have to place the ad. Actually the Facebook advertisement is very cheap, so you can get this in a few cents. So okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is our audience. Actually this time our audience is 0, so we cannot create an ad to this audience. I'm going to show you an example with another audience. Okay, I'm going to show you with this audience. Okay, I'm going to create an ad. Okay, so now what I need to do is let it load. Okay, we need the traffic. Okay, continue. Okay, so at this time the audience size is 94,000. When you will start driving the clicks to your landing page, your audience will start growing. At this time, our audience for lean belly is 0. So as you start driving the traffic, it will keep on growing, keep on growing. Okay. So what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna put a video ad. Okay, so the audience is ready. Okay, the budget I'm gonna choose is just uh, £4. Okay, because actually I should choose £3 because it's enough for one day, or maybe £2 because the if you are advertising to your retargeting audience, it's very cheap. Okay, so the page I'm gonna choose is any page. You can create a page for about weight losing or any type of that. Okay, so single image or video. Yes, I'm gonna include a video over here. Okay, so upload the image. Yeah, video is over here. I'm gonna upload that video. Okay, so it's my download sections. Okay, over here I'm gonna put the URL of my landing page. Okay, so what they will do, they will create an ad for us that will send us to that will send the visitors to our landing page. Okay, so okay, it's loading. Sorry. Okay, at the same time, now what I can do, I can write the headline the of my ad. Okay, so I'm write lean belly through review. Okay, so this is the headline, and call to action I can yeah, it's better to learn more. And okay, my friend, I'm gonna cut the video over here. So, okay, my friend. So our video is ready. So you can see that this video, it has automatically grabbed the picture of the video, and you can see that this video will go to only the people who you are retargeting. You are retargeting them, and these are not the people that don't know about this product. They already go through that product, and they just didn't buy or they just didn't give their email address. So when they will start seeing the same advertisement on Facebook, they will click over here and they will go to our landing page again, and they will go to some of them will give us email, and some of them will buy the product. The people who will give us email, and what we will do email marketing to them. So this is a very super awesome type of strategy that you can apply it. So you can crush the affiliate marketing industry. You can apply this strategy to any product in the industry. And if you want to go from $0 to $10,000 in affiliate marketing, selling other people's products, so I have a link in the description. It's a super awesome training. I have gone through that training myself, and now I'm getting very good results. So it's better if you check that training for yourself. Okay, friends, thanks for watching my video. And if the information in this video is helpful for you, give me thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.